Here in Canada, winter temperatures can drop to -20 and in summer rise to +30, which is a huge difference in temperature when your indoor temperature is at a relatively constant 20 to 22 degrees. The building envelope, as it's called, or the shell, needs to be a warm blanket in the winter and protection from heat in the summer. How well or how badly we build that shell is directly related to the amount of energy you will need to run the heating and the cooling system. In order to build better buildings, we can both build a better shell and we can reduce the surface area of the wrapper. Both of these strategies will make a huge difference. In order to minimize the energy needed to heat and cool our houses, current best practices use passive sources of energy, including solar photovoltaics and geothermal heating, but also use passive house principles of highly insulated walls, avoiding thermal bridges, avoiding air leakage, optimizing window locations, installing triple glazing, and heat pump technology for the heating and the cooling systems. Windows are the weakest part of the building envelope. They let through a lot of heat and cold compared to the solid walls. If you see an office building that has the same windows on all four sides, you know immediately that designers did not take into account the sun, the wind, or the energy losses caused by the building envelope. Windows facing west will result in a lot of heat buildup in the afternoon on a sunny day. Windows on the north will result in no heat gain. So the amount of windows and the size of the windows should be different on each face of the building to optimize heat gain, shading from the summer sun, and to minimize heat loss. Other things to do include better levels of insulation, make sure that there are no air leaks, think about windows, design an air handling system to ventilate adequately for the number of people living in the house. These combined strategies make what is called a passive house. The shape of your home also matters. The wall surface area of your apartment is much less than the exposed wall surface area of a freestanding house for the same amount of floor space. The more heat loss surface area, the higher your heating bill is going to be.